Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by wiring secure credentials and a minimal API client. Create a Nventory React API KEY and never hardcode keys. Next, add Axios or plan to use fetch and centralize the base URL in src/API. JS. Create an Axios instance or a small wrapper function to attach headers automatically. This keeps headers consistent and simplifies testing. Once done, export the instance and call a simple getEndpoint from a small test component so you confirm connectivity and handle the first response shape. Now you implement requests and local state. Build a use API or use fetch hook that handles loading, success, and error. Use an abort controller with fetch or cancel tokens with Axios to avoid race conditions when components unmount. Add interceptors to refresh tokens or standardize error shapes. This saves duplicate code. Then lift state via context or return reusable handlers from your hook so multiple components call the same logic. Make sure to normalize responses so UI code stays simple and predictable. Complete the integration by wiring handlers into components and securing env variables during build. Keep secrets out of client bundles. Add tests with MSW or mocked fetch to assert request shapes and error flows. Deploy with environment-specific base URLs and enable retry/backoff logic for flaky endpoints. If something fails, check the Browser Network tab for CORS errors, missing authorization headers, or unexpected status codes, and reproduce with curl. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals misconfigured headers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.